Despite uncertainty in the overall market, the energy sector is performing exceptionally well, and it soared massively at 61.8% year to date and around 19% quarter to date. So if you're an investor looking for cheap energy stocks, then the TSX Venture Exchange could be the right place. That said, let's have a look at two junior energy stocks and find out if they're worth a buy. The first one to look at is PetroTal Corp. PetroTal Corp is a crude oil and natural gas corporation with business operations in Peru, South America. The company makes a profit by selling crude oil and Block 95, Bretaña oil field, and Block 107, Osheki Prospect, two of the company's operations. Despite production being constrained due to social protests, PetroTal produced over 11,700 barrels of oil per day in the first quarter for the first time. The increase in production reflected an increase of 60% year over year. PetroTal also generated a record net operating income of $64.2 million, and its earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization was at $58.7 million, reflecting a threefold increase from the previous. The oil and gas company announced a $120 million fully funded capital program on the 22nd of February. The move could help PetroTal generate up to $230 million in free cash flow this year. Next is Razor Energy Corp. It's involved in the development and production of oil and gas, aiming to acquire oil and gas holdings in Alberta. Razor Energy works in the Swan Hill, Beaver Hill Lake, and Cayob Triassic Monty formations, producing and developing light oil. RZE's stock had a stellar run and surged over 400% in the last 12 months. It even outperformed the Toronto Stock Exchange 300 Composite Index during the same period. On May 25th, the stock climbed 4% and closed at $3.07 a share. In the fourth quarter, Razor Energy generated a net income of $19.2 million and achieved $13.5 of free cash flow from operating activities. Now that you're up to speed, give us a sub and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. I'm Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.